welcome to my vlog, and this is kind of around the house. Well, we have our grandkids staying with us for a little while, so the wife bought a little Princess electric rider probably 12 years ago for our granddaughter, and of course now she's grown up and can't use it anyway, so we stored it down in the cellar for about 10 years. It hasn't been used in 10 years. So we're around trying to find the battery for it, and battery's been kicking around in the cellar. So she went to charge it, and it doesn't appear to want to take a charge. Well, of course, it's 10 years old, so most likely not. But from what I understand, you take this off, and then you disconnect the battery from this connector. So what I was going to do is I'm going to try and jump it and see if I can get it to charge, because sometimes we're able to do that, even with the car batteries when they're completely dead. But if that's not the case, then we'll just go to Walmart, buy a new battery, because these connectors are special. So you got to make sure you get the right brand to match those. This is Little Tyke brand, but I think this is a 6 volt. I think it's a 6 volt. What's this charging? No, it's actually a 12 volt. So let's pull this off of here and see what we got going. Let's take that prise out. One of these days, I'm gonna do a yard sale in my freaking garage, because I got 2 years and I'm retiring. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so does it take that, pop that out of that battery? Alright, so there you go. There's your jumpers, connectors. Let's pop that out too. Do this side too. There we go. Break it. Most likely. Break that one off. Let's go break grab. Okay, there you go. There's your connector, positive, negative. Go. Okay, here you go. There's your battery's loose, and it is sealed. So there's no way that can go from that point. So let's see. We can jump that thing. With the jumper. She also wanted me to check to see if the little tyke motors would run. So this is of course a 12 volt. So 10-year-old battery. I don't think we're going to be able to get it to jump. Put a little bit of charge juice in it from another battery, and it might just get it to charge. Now, you know, you got the charger plug for that. That's fine. Charging unit you plug into the wall and charge it. Or of course you can use a battery charger just put a little bit of charge into that. Okay, I got a light. So that tells you right away that you've got energy, of course, coming from this, not necessarily the battery. So plug this in, and that's gonna charge both of them. Yeah, babe. What? Nope.
So everything looks good?
Yep, clean.
Took it apart?
Yep.
So it looks alright.
Yeah.
Do you have anything on the battery charger at all?
I don't know yet. I'm jumping it.
Oh, okay.
So I got the jumper on it, and I've also got the charger on it.
Well, I just know the charger will say.
Yeah, charger. The charger has this little yellow light if there's any energy there, but of course there isn't. It's dead. So
Now,
I got.
I had it plugged in.
Well.
Charging for like 6 hours.
Well, the problem is there's no energy in the battery to get it to charge. It's got to have some sort of electrical.
I was just saying, since I had it plugged in,
So,
I would have thought if it was going to
no.
get anything, it would have got it.
Not unless it's jumped. It's the same as a car battery. If it's absolutely dead, there's no molecules spinning around inside that battery. So
That's, you got the voltage of it though, right?
it's a standard. It's a 12-volt battery, so it'll match anything that we have. Car batteries are 12 volts. So I'm just.
Okay, well if I have to replace it, there's different choices.
Well, you want a 12-volt battery, and that the connector on the top of the battery is equivalent to the same one there.
Yeah, but don't put it back together.
No, I'm not. Okay, let's just see what happens. I'm going to yank this. I'm going to turn this off. And if that goes dead, then it goes dead. Interesting. I got something going on here. I have it charging and I have a power on. Normally if you don't have not anything in here, it's not going to do anything. So we're going to have to wait. I'm going to put the battery back. I'll put the other battery back on here real quick. Something like backdrafting. I've got a charging going on here, which is a good thing because I'm going to turn this off, disconnect, this is a good thing because if it was absolutely dead, I show you a regular battery that's got no charge whatsoever. With that, There's a battery right there, and it's absolutely dead, so the charger is not going to pick up on it. Where's my, let me see. I do have a, my dad made this up about 40 years ago, maybe 50 years ago, and I still got it. Maybe watching. Not good. The yellow light is dimming, as you can see. But maybe it's because of my connection. Come on. Oop.